Millions of people pay for Adobe Photoshop every month, with no idea these free AI tools exist. You'll discover the top free AI tools for creating stunning images without spending a dime. But I've got a surprise in store for you. The most powerful tool is saved for last, so keep watching to uncover the secret. Deep Dream Generator is a free AI tool that uses neural networks to transform your images into surreal artwork, like turning a mundane landscape into a dreamlike scene. And a quick tip is to experiment with different iterations to achieve unique effects. Next up, Prisma takes your ordinary photos and turns them into works of art in the style of famous artists like Van Gogh, for example, converting a simple portrait into a painting reminiscent of the Starry Night. And a tip is to adjust the filter intensity for more subtle results. Number 3, Paint Shiner is a free AI tool that helps you create stunning paintings from your photos, like transforming a holiday snapshot into a beautiful watercolor. And a quick tip is to use the built-in brushes to add textures and details. Here is a powerful one, Stable Diffusion, which generates high-quality images from text prompts, such as creating a realistic image of a futuristic cityscape from a simple description. And a tip is to use specific keywords to get more accurate results. Next, we have DALL-E Mini, a free AI tool that generates images from text prompts, like creating a picture of a smiling cat sitting on a couch. And a quick tip is to use humor in your prompts to get more interesting results. Another great tool is Art Breeder, which allows you to create original artwork using a combination of AI and user input. For example, generating a unique portrait by combining different facial features. And a tip is to experiment with different species to create hybrid creatures. But before I reveal the final tool, let me ask you, are you ready to unlock the full potential of AI image creation without spending a fortune? The last tool I want to share with you is Big Sleep, a free AI model that generates highly realistic images from text prompts, such as creating a photorealistic image of a fantasy landscape. And a quick tip is to use descriptive language to get more detailed results. In this video, we covered the top free AI tools for creating stunning images, including Deep Dream Generator, Prisma, Paint Shiner, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E Mini, Art Breeder, and Big Sleep. By now, you should be equipped to create amazing images without breaking the bank. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content. And since this completes our AI Toolbox series, I invite you to watch the full playlist to discover more free AI tools that will revolutionize your workflow.